So now we need to import the requests module because we will be using it in order to make HTTP requests and get data from the web, and then we can get whatever we want from these pages from the web, from any page in the web. So how can we import the requests? Well, very simple, import and then requests, and that's it. Now we can use the requests. In Python, it's super simple. Let's test this requests by calling the get function. So I'm gonna here use the requests and then get, which is the function that we will be using most of the time. And here this function takes the URL that you want to get its data, or you want to make a request to be precise. We want to pass the URL, let's say HTTPS and then google.com. And then let's get the result and store the result in a variable called result. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just print the result and see what the result is. Let me save, and then in the terminal, I'm going to run our script in the terminal, and we should get the response. As you can see, response 200, which means that it worked successfully. But of course, this is just an object. We can get the text itself by calling the text. After we get the result, we can call the text. Let me save and run our script one more time and show you the result. As you can see, what we are going to get, a lot of code. And what is this code? What is this code? This code is just the source code of Google. So if you go to Google, let me head on over to Google and show you that this is exactly the HTML code or the source code of Google's main page. So let me head on over to Google and show you that. So if you head on over to Google and right click and then view page source, you'll find that this code is exactly the same as this one that we got. So this requests module will help us make HTTP requests and get data from any URL, from any website, from any domain we want. And then obviously we will be able to scrape any website and get data from any website we want.